Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in the weekend edition. Puzzle page in the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, June the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. So three puzzles are left: the Killer Sudoku, one of these binaries, and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Well, let me continue with the Killer Sudoku. The Killer Sudoku will be number 8680. 8680. All right. And we have here two given numbers. Given number 2 in this triple box of 12, that means that those two boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. They're given number 7 in this triple box of 16. That means that those two boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Alright, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, with 20 to 30 minutes, it will be a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. Alright. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one and that one has one sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a big square, 45. That means if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 7 is 14, plus 15 is 29. 29 plus 8 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. In the box of 13, combination will be 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay, let's go to this big square. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 10 is 29. Plus 8 is 37 again. 29 plus 8 is 27. Alright, 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. Yeah, 45 minus 37 is an 8. In the box of 17, combination will be 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. This one has 2 sharing boxes, also here. Here also 2. Alright, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3. Only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Here another box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 16. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Well, my next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. Two combinations. Well, we have a box of 14. There are two combinations for the box of 14. 8 plus 6 and 9 plus 5. Well, the 9 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 9 and the 5 there. So it should be 8 and 6, 8 and 6. Alright. The box of 15. There are two combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 8 is already used in this big square, so it should be 9 and the 6. 9 and 6. We have a 9 in one of those boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. 9, 9, 9. Let me see. Need a 4 here. 5 and the 2, 4. Well, one of the missing number is a 7 in this big square. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7. Otherwise, the combination will be 7. 7 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 7 should be in the box of 8 combination. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. Need the 7 here. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left of the 7 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, of course. I cannot place the 7 here because we already have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the only place left of the 7 should be here in this triple box of 11. That means that these two boxes together should be a 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Well, the box of 4, there's only one combination for the box of 4. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 7 in the last row. 7 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left. The 7 goes in the box of 10. Combination will be 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3. Then I need a 6 here. 6. I need a 9. In this big square, we need a 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 6. So the only 2 places left in this big square should be in the box of 13. Combination 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4. Then one of the missing number in this big square is a number 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 8. Combination 6 and a 2. 6 plus 2. So one pair left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be in, a 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, there are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this column. So I cannot place the 1 and the 4 here. So it should be 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. So we have 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7 then. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1. The 2 and 3. 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. 9 and the 3. Well, if I place the 9 here in this box of 12, then the combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. The 3 is already used in this column. So I cannot place the 9 here. The 9 should be here. And this should be the 4 then. In the box of 12, combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Alright. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. I cannot place the 9 here because these 2 boxes together should be a 9. Only place left for the 9 should be here. In the box of 10, combination will be 9 plus 1. 2 and 1, we have a 1 now in this big square. So this should be a 2, in this box should be a 1. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this big square. So the 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, and now 2, 2. You know, 1 here. Yeah. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 5 plus 1 and 2 plus 4. Well, the 5 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 5 and the 1 here, so it should be 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Well, if I place... well, I need to wait here. Yeah, 6 and the 9. I need to wait. Well, then, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row. So no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. If I place the 4 here, then the combination in the box of 10 will be 4 plus 6. Well, we already have a 6 in this column, so I cannot place the 4 there. The 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright, now the combination will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. The box of 7, the combination here will be 4 plus 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright, one of the missing number in the last column is the number 2. 2, yeah. We need a 2 in the last column. Well, combination here will be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes. And then 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. These two boxes together should be a 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 2 is equal to 11. Alright. Then 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the 5 should be in one of these two boxes. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9. 9 and 7, we have a 9. In this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 8 and 6, we have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. Then. Well. Let me think. 2 and a 1. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. The middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes in the box of 8. Combination 1 and a 7. 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and a 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 6 or 9. 6, 9, and 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 5. We need a 5 here in this row. The 5 could be here, could be there. 3 and a 4. We need an 8 in this row. The 8 should be in the box of 11. Combination 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4 and a 5. Well, 7. How about the 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 3 places left. 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the row below, no 8 there. So the only place left 8 should be in the box of 12. Combination will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 9 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. Then 6 and a 2 are missing in the last row. 6 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square from 6. These 2 boxes together should be a 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Plus 7 is equal to 16. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Alright. 1 box left now in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So the 5 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 5 and the 4. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Double check 4. And 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, surprise. I thought I need more than 20 minutes. Turns out a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah, I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.